I drive off with my daughter, my innocent daughter, my pure daughter. I come big boy when you avatar, him fear go jail. You big boy when you avatar, no one tell me nothing. We not protect no more good now suffer for no. No more good now suffer for no more evil right now. No more good now suffer for no more evil in Jamaica. If Jamaica people, I know say them police will send come on me yard and them not just send come on me yard just so intimidate them, try intimidate me. Because me are one of the only loudmouth one we left when I quat. But me are telling you, say me I stand up in the powers of the Almighty Creator with my mother ring pa my finger. Me now bow down to uno. Me now better uno just bust out my head right now. Cause me now bow down to uno. Me never bow down to uno behind closed doors. And me not bowing down in front of the cameras. You understand what me I say? A years me I got through this with them youth, they were rebel up. And when me attack, if you notice, me still not dash rebel against the stone. Because it's a brethren we try. But him circle is a little bigger than where him can manage. So this is not no... Would I encourage everybody if you come a rebel salute same way, because rebel salute is also a show where them no want keep neither. So them would love if it mash up once and for all, because of the only little show where they here we are deal with clean music and no profanity on stage. And artists have if you need Rodney Price, you have to do culture. At least you can get Tony Rebel that, because him did use fit him career to do that. And that's how me give him respect. But when it comes to the domestic side of things, the children and the women them control. And now is the time when men like Rebel to stand up and make the women and the children them in their life know say him are the king in the house. And they must set the order and do things the right way. He must talk to him child molester son when he am avatar. And him figure to jail. And a Dimona Barrett, you come and you care police come on my yard, little girl. After all the goodness what me do to you, even after me left it dread, me still do goodness. For uno me fly you out of foreign, same way. You see me I say you living in my house, same way. Because we not put children in the middle of conflict. Well, all we go keep that say, children do not belong in adult conflicts. And this is why the country that we live in is the way it is. And if Andrew Holness and him dictator government where him a farm in Jamaica did just pay attention to what it means to build true family values. So that families we can stay together without this bloodshed and baby mother chop off baby mother head and children chop off them one another head, because the adults them in the situation cannot and refuse to get them shit together for the sake of peace and harmony in the space. And I want to use this opportunity to say to every family out there who are struggling to try to make your family into a better space where you all can love and coexist. If you are in that family and you are the only one in that family fighting for that, now is the time when you should walk away from whatever that situation. Choose your sanity, choose your peace, as long as you know say you was not an aggressor, as long as you know say you were the one who always wanted the peace no matter what. You always are the one where I said make peace reign. Now we see where people do not want that. Them prefer to push you to the edge until you drop over the cliff, and then them tell you say, oh, John was star, a long time queen, I say if we do better as a country and as a family, you know. If we not do it now, it don't make no sense. You understand the corruption, the people them lead corruption forget, kick out of the blood clot we know and make good reign. Good for stop suffer for evil now. There them see what me I say, my lord. Baby mothers, Alicia Larson. Me I call out your name. Narlene, Cornwall, Biggie. Me a call out your name as Tony Rebel 2, me and baby mother them. Una need to control una children and take out the body and the vagina thing out of it so that the children them can learn to love each other purely without the corruption of what them see happening with them parents. All of the households them that we have here in Jamaica is being mashed up because people refuse to speak the truth when truth is supposed to be spoken the loudest. So because me dear to speak a truth, for says, uno stop now. A years me I do this in a private, and I said to the high them, when I left the space of the Dread and his family, I was still and is still dealing with his children. The Mona, the one that bring the police come here for my daughter, was living here after Dread left. Me no want tell me about be careful, no politically correct. Everything I do in a social media, that's the loudest voice there. Seeing this shit need to stop. The family feud. Children were born inside a family and children were born outside a family. That's something that fi stop. That's something that fi stop. That's something that fi stop because children suffer into adulthood to do the right thing by their families. Everybody is busy. Hey, what the vehicle that was supposed to? What the vehicle? See? Everybody is busy doing what them think is best for them, but no one want to do what is best for the whole picture. What about the whole picture? You understand what I say? Why can't we as a people understand say people are gonna hurt you, people are gonna do all kind of things, but you know have to revengeful, you know have to bitter, you know have to hateful, to deal with it. But why now that feel so empowered to bring police come on my yard? Because of something, because of what them doing to my daughter. And because me decide now, so I'm not taking it anymore. This is what this is the next level of where you want to take it to. Well, me sure everybody say me really not afraid for you. Me not afraid for you. I mean, not care what kind of new law Andrew Holness and him dictator government come in with. Them have to go kill me because me not go afraid of them for talk the truth. Because the truth really and truly not have no friend. And if them really want to fix domestic violence in a Jamaica, violence in a Jamaica a big business. Domestic violence in a Jamaica a big business. That's why the families them can't get them thing together and youths are commit suicide and murder shoots. And I said one time on the year, me say me could have been one of them that you think a joke me I make. You don't think say a joke me I make. You don't need to stop, come off of the matrix and coming out on the self, because when you come off of them phone here, you don't have no realities in a real life to deal with. And I want to take that moment here to talk to all of the bloggers them and the vloggers them will use me as clickbait. All you do, me never see a few of you. Me see try to have an understanding towards what Queen Ifrica try to do over the years in a music business. All you do as me put up something, a clickbait to go. I want to shape the narrative around the headline because you know say I be a sheep out there on phone. So once you put it in a particular way. Yeah, Queen Ifrica mad out again as January start. Well, this year me I go officially mad out for no bomber clock. Me I make you know say me have to live peaceful because me choose to. So me I go around at this Matthew on a police station and me now come on for the live till the day is over and we see what tomorrow bring. Because I want everyone to know say I know coward we do this from are afraid. So what I say? A real thing we do, we talk say this not go on no more. This not for go on no more in our country, and me I beg you Jamaican them we're not dead yet. Because I know say then kill we off. That's why I not go no a compound town celebration Maroon. And we know say I know everybody we go down there sell out Maroon, but they sell out Maroon they know themselves and me I come for the whole I would know. Me nah itch. Yeah, see it is a pro box me I pull up in around there. Good evening, sir.